All right, we have Beach Cliff fish steaks. This was a bit of an accidental purchase. I meant to buy sardines and didn't know that these were different. Didn't read. I just grabbed something that had a similar color scheme. I do like that as far as shelf stability. You can see this is 4 years from now. It's 2021. So these have good shelf life in the soybean oil. So this is the first time I've ever opened them. Wanted to do that on camera. See how they're different. I mean, they're packed a little differently, but that's the opening moment. I don't know if this is just a different cut of the fish or a different fish, but there's what fish steaks look on the inside. Still got the skin like they all do, and this seems maybe a little tender, a little bit more tender perhaps. But give a tiny little bite, give an opinion. That's pretty similar to sardines, maybe has a little bit different flavor. So if you know what the main difference is between regular sardines and the fish steak variety is, leave us a comment. Hope you have a blessed day.